Hello everybody! Today we're outside and we've got our little doggies with us. We are going to do the dog intelligence challenge. We've got a couple of tests. We're going to see who wins.
I'm Team Dilly.
And I'm Team Boo. Woo! We're going to do towel on the head. Team Boo is going first. Come in. Okay. Right, go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, she took about 4 seconds, didn't she?
Yeah, she took about 5 seconds to get out.
Oh,
I'd say 5 after she attacked me.
right.
Is Dilly ready?
Dilly's go. Dilly, are you ready? Are you ready to do me proud?
Go on then. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah! Dilly! Good girl, Dilly!
Guys, we're now going to put some treats. Well, we've got 3 cups. One of them's going to have a treat under, and the rest obviously won't. And the first, pretty much got the one to find it the quickest wins. Ready? Boo, find it.
Wow, the Team Boo is.
Kidding me? It was like the first cup she tried. She found it. Go on then, Dilly.
Go on, Dilly. Which one?
Boo, no, Boo, no!
Which one, Dilly? Dilly, which one? Dilly! It's under a cup!
Pass me the bag. She thinks she's going for the bag still. Go on, Dilly.
Go on, Dilly. Which one?
Boo, no! Oh, Dilly doesn't know.
Well,
But
she did.
Boo would have found it.
Ready? What's this?
She's doing the sit and lay down now. So she's already sitting, so she's done the advantage. Right. Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. Yeah.
Ooh, bonus points.
So she did that. Is that count?
Yeah?
Good girl. Go on then. She's sitting.
Lay down. 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 Lay down.
She's laying down.
Lay down.
Put your hand like flat on the floor, like lay down.
Lay down. Yeah!
No way! That's not fair. You can't do it like that.
Why not?
Because you can't. That's cheating.
So explain what the meerkat
The
is.
meerkat is when they stand up on their hind legs to get the treat out of your hand. That. Hover.
Did she do it?
Yeah, she done it. Good
Okay.
girl. She jumped as well.
That's right. Ready, Dilly? Up, up. Good girl!
Oh,
Yeah!
That's probably better than
That
Boo.
was the best. Good girl, Dilly.
A drawing,
This is
so it's the last one.
This one is the recall, is it not?
Yeah, so we've got no treats involved in this.
Yeah.
You just got to make the dog come to you. We're going to do, I'm going to call Boo over. She's standing over there with Martina, and we've got to see how well she reacts to my call. Right. Come on, Booty! Come on, Booty! Come on, Booty! Come on! Good girl! Come on! Yeah! Good girl! Oh yeah! Champion! Champion! How are you going to beat that, huh?
It's my go now. Hashtag Team Dilly. Hashtag Boo. Hashtag Team Dilly. Ready? Right, I hope she comes to me.
Ready?
Yeah. Dilly! Dilly, come here! Dilly! Dilly! Dilly, what's this? Dilly, what's this? Dilly! Alright, Boo. Oh, yay!
Come here, Booty. Come here, Booty. Good girl. Dilly, come here. Dilly, 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 come here. Dilly, come here. Come here. Yeah. Right, come here. Good girl, Boo. Boo's a good girl. Here are the champions. And the winner is Boo!
She let me down.
The cleverest people and dogs over here. Just losers.
But she's cute
So-
though. She's cute though, isn't she? And we've also got another dog yet to do this.
Exactly. So we'll see you again very soon.
Like and
Like and
subscribe.
subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye.